Given two concentric circles, we want to be able to inscribe in the larger circle a regular polygon of even number of sides so that it doesn't touch the inner circle. In other words, we want to be able to approximate the circle with a regular polygon to any level of accuracy we desire. First, draw a diameter, and then a vertical line where the diameter meets the inner circle. This vertical line is tangent to the inner circle. Take the top half of the outer circle, the circumference BAD, and cut it in half continuously until we make a cut inside of the circumference AD. From that point, drop a vertical line and connect its ends to D. DL and DN are the first two sides of our polygon, and they do not touch the inner circle because they are inside of AC, the tangent. Now we can use LD and DN to construct the rest of the polygon, which will have an even number of sides because it will be symmetrical about the diameter. And we obtained LD to DN by cutting the circumference by halves.